Welcome to RC's RC Cars, a channel dedicated to showing you how to build your own RC car. Today we're going to continue building this Kyosho Fantom PZF T-33 pan car kit. And this is going to be part 16 of the build series. We're going to be cutting out the body, which is step 20. And the first thing we're going to do is to examine the body and kind of learn where the cutout lines are going to be. So you would just look at the manual and know where the wheel well is and where to cut on this bottom line and how the back of the car profile is, so you know where to cut. I'm pretty set with that. And if you needed to, you can use a marker to show you where you need to turn and cut out. But I think I'm okay. And today we're going to be using a sharp hobby knife. Make sure you get a new blade. And I'm also going to use a pair of Lexan scissors that are curved. You can either use both or just one or the other. It doesn't matter. Depends on your preference. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. Okay, I think I have everything scored, and I can start snapping these apart now. And that's where I use the scissors. Okay, for the wheel wells, you can actually just freehand the wheel well, but I usually pre-cut with a hobby knife first and snap it off. I've done it both ways in the past, and this is just pretty much the way I prefer to do it right now. There we go. I think the results were not too bad. All right, so this was the first step to putting together the body for the Phantom. We cut out the body and we're ready for the next step, which is to mask and then paint it. All right, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.